Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and send money internationally on Wise? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, download and install your Wise application and then create a Wise account. Once you've done that, from the home screen, click on send, choose the currency you're sending from and the currency the recipient gets in, enter the amount you want to send or the exact amount you want them to receive, and then search the recipient by Wise tag, email, or phone number if they have a Wise account, and then add their bank details, name, bank name, account number, SWIFT code for international. You can also have Wise email them for details if you don't have them. Then select how you'll pay. Bank transfer is often cheapest, but cards and wire are options. Fees are shown up front. And then check all details carefully and complete the payment using your chosen method. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button.